Let's see what we got going on today. It's a 2009 Toyota Highlander. It's got an engine light. This one's got 276,480 miles on it. Not bad. And it's got a misfire on cylinder 2. Plus some other stuff. Well, right now, I'm just going to work on the misfire. So, I'll get the stationary camera set up, start digging in. I don't have a whole lot of time tonight. Might have to finish this tomorrow. So hopefully I got everything in the shot right. So I'll get this cover off. I do not work on Toyotas, so I don't really know my way around them, but I know my way around problems. And I guess I need to get used to working on Toyotas because I actually bought this one. Bought this one off a friend and co-worker who was moving. He didn't want to take it with him, so I grabbed it. Figured this would be a decent vehicle for my Sunday drive. Not knowing the service history on this, we'll start with the obvious. Pull the coil pack, see what we see. 10mm bolt. And that was to be expected. Broken plastic. Every single one of these is going to break. It's also telling me this thing probably hasn't had a tune-up in a very, very long time. Actually, it looks surprisingly clean. Try to keep these in order. And what I'm going to do first is swap number 2 with number 4. And see if the problem follows it. I have seen where these tiny little wires for the coils have broken on other vehicles. These don't seem to be alright. This is the highest mileage vehicle I've ever owned. Actually runs pretty smooth, it's quiet. That's partly why I bought it. Usually these single cylinder misfire conditions are easy fixes. Gotta figure out what the problem is. Well, it looks like just swapping the coils around. I don't know if you can see that. It's no longer misfiring. I should have grabbed this data before I swapped, but sometimes you get lucky. What I'll probably do is I'm going to work on some other things on this. Maybe get it cleaned up tomorrow. Take it for a road test and see if the misfires come back. But for now, I don't know. It's running pretty smooth.